Surfing session 113. How fast can my surfboard go? With larger waves today, I thought it would be a good opportunity to measure how fast I can travel on my surfboard using my Applewatch Series 7 and the Surfline app with a paid premium subscription, which would track waves for me using GPS to track wave time, distance traveled, and fastest speed on a wave. It would also track videos for me as well. To start it, you can just hit start and it enters the waterlock mode, and then it starts tracking for you. Then you just go surfing. I went for an early morning session in Nahant. According to Magic Seaweed, there were 5 to 8 feet surf, and Magic Seaweed gave the day 3 light blue stars, which was awesome, although there were strong 22-mile-an-hour onshore winds with huge gusts, so it's very choppy. Jeff and I were the only surfers out there. These waves were larger than the typical 2 to 4 feet waves that we see at Nahant, so that's why I was curious to measure my speed. At the end of a session, you simply take your watch, turn the bezel to exit waterlock mode, and then tell Surfline to stop tracking. The watch will then sync with the app to list and map the waves you caught. Please note that the app will also catch many of the waves that you tried for but missed, so you need to sort the list by either distance traveled or by speed to look at your longest and fastest waves. This was the fastest wave I caught. Surfline measured this wave as 31 seconds, 320 feet, and 23 miles per hour. That's fast for me. On small 1 to 2 foot wave days, I might get 13 miles per hour speed on my waves, or in 3 to 4 feet waves, I might get 17 to 19 mile per hour waves. But 23 miles per hour, that's fast for me. This was a very fun wave too because I was going down the line on my backside heel, and then I did a cutback as the white water was crashing on my board. It was a fun wave. The second wave is the longest wave I caught. Surfline measured this wave as 25-second wave, but I traveled 382 feet and I was traveling at 19 miles per hour. This was a fun wave for me as well because I caught it while it was unbroken, which was very difficult to do on such a choppy day. Nahant also has a Surfline camera now, and the Surfline app will synchronize the camera footage with each wave I caught so I can watch it. Unfortunately, I was out of the screenshot for most of the waves I caught. On this day, it took a lot of effort to paddle out through the whitewater to get to the lineup. I had to paddle a long time through the waves and turtle roll a lot too. I'm still a beginner and I was using my 9-foot longboard in this video, so I couldn't duck dive. Once I got to the lineup, I tried my best to catch as many large waves as I could to get the experience of dropping in on larger waves with more speed. I tried my best to stay out there and keep my rides short and to avoid riding all the way back to the beach. Those first 2 waves were my best waves that I showed you. On several other waves, I had a good bottom turn, but I couldn't make the top turn. Also on a few other waves, I would lose my balance on the pop-up or I would nosedive. Nevertheless, I was having a great time. If I fell, I just grabbed my board and got back onto it and paddled out back to find another wave. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. What speed have you measured on your surfboard and how did you do it? Do you have any friendly tips or comments on this video? Please share any comments. I would love to hear from you. This is part of my surfing playlist on YouTube. Check it out, and thanks for watching.